He was obsessed with me, and now he doesn't care how to make him chase again. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic hits close to home for a lot of us, especially when someone's behavior suddenly changes out of nowhere. One minute they're obsessed with you, texting, calling, showing all this love, and then, just like that, they disappear. No calls, no messages, just silence. So, what happened? And more importantly, how do you deal with it? Let's break down the psychology behind this, and I'll share two powerful steps to get that attention back, without losing your dignity. Part 1. The shift that hurts. A viewer recently asked me, "Hey, there was this guy who was crazy about me, calling me all the time, texting sweet stuff, acting like I was everything to him. Now, he's gone cold. Barely replies. Seems like he doesn't care anymore. What gives?" That kind of sudden change really hurts. When someone showers you with attention and then pulls away, it feels like a punch in the gut. But here's the thing. This pain is a message. And we need to understand what it's really telling us. Part 2. Decoding behavior patterns. Whether it's a friendship, dating, marriage, or even work relationships, it's super important to pay attention to the other person's behavior patterns. In the beginning, it's confusing. You don't know their background, their emotional style, or how they connect with others. So you naturally think the affection and attention you get at first is genuine and here to stay. But sometimes that initial love bombing isn't real love. Sometimes it's just a pattern. Sometimes it's a sign they're emotionally immature. And if you don't really understand the person, it's hard to handle the situation wisely. Part 3. Did he really lose interest? A lot of people ask, did he just lose interest? The truth? Not always. Many people simply don't know how to handle relationships. They weren't taught how to build or maintain a healthy connection. And if you haven't learned how to read emotions or balance your responses either, don't blame yourself. But now, it's your responsibility to learn. Part 4. Understanding his psychology. Ask yourself, what kind of attachment style does he have? Is he emotionally avoidant? Is he a narcissist? Or just emotionally immature? Not everyone who pulls away is a narcissist. Sometimes they just don't know how to care in a healthy way. And maybe you didn't learn how to manage relationships either. Most of us figure it out through trial and error, getting hurt, falling, trying again. But now it's time to be intentional and learn consciously. Part 5. The 2 power moves to make him chase again. Now for the key part. What 2 things can you do to get his attention back, without begging or chasing, and without losing your self-respect? Step 1. Stop acting on impulse. When he goes cold, it's natural to panic. Call, text, ask what's wrong. But this is an impulsive reaction. And here's the secret. The more you chase, the more he pulls away. So instead of chasing, pause. Take control. Don't act out of desperation. Step 2. Go back to your true self. Remember who you were before he came into your life? The version of you that laughed, hung out with friends, enjoyed your hobbies, and felt confident? That's your real power. When you focus on yourself, becoming whole, happy, and magnetic again, that's when people come back. Not because you begged, but because they feel your energy change. Conclusion. Peace isn't just about getting someone back. It's about growing into someone you can be proud of. Learn about psychology and emotional intelligence. Understand both the light and the darker sides, not to manipulate, but to protect and empower yourself. When you truly understand people, you don't get broken by them. When you understand yourself, you don't beg for love. You attract it. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you, share it with someone who might need it. And remember, your worth isn't based on someone else's attention. You are powerful. You are loved. You are never alone. Subscribe for more relationship wisdom, blending faith and psychology. Take care, and see you next time.